Welcome to Lean Learning Lane, the place where complex topics are explained simply. This playlist is called Basic Finance, and it's designed for people who were never taught how money really works. Here, we break down money concepts in plain language. No jargon, no hype, and no unrealistic promises. You'll learn how to manage your income, avoid common financial traps, and build habits that reduce stress and increase control. These lessons are short, practical, and evergreen, meaning they'll help whether you're just starting out or trying to fix mistakes from the past. Start with the first video, Why You Are Always Broke Even with a Job, and move at your own pace. Let's make money simpler, one clear lesson at a time. At the age of 25, most people have already made money mistakes that follow them for years. Not because they're careless, but because nobody taught them the basics. Schools teach math, jobs teach skills, but nobody teaches how money actually works. In this video, you'll learn the core money principles that can save you years of stress and put you ahead of most adults. The first thing everyone needs to understand is this: income is not wealth. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. You can make good money and still be broke if every dollar leaves as soon as it arrives. This is why some people earn six figures and still live paycheck to paycheck. Wealth isn't about how much comes in, it's about what stays behind. Most people live inside what's called the paycheck trap. Money comes in, money goes out, and nothing is left in between. When this happens, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Flat tire, credit card, medical bill, credit card. The trap isn't low income, it's lack of margin. And without margin, you're always one problem away from stress. When people earn more, they usually spend more. Better apartment, new car, more subscriptions. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay broke, even as their income grows. The problem isn't enjoying life. The problem is upgrading everything automatically without upgrading savings. Debt feels small in the moment, but expensive over time. When you borrow money, you're using tomorrow's income today. And interest makes sure you pay extra for it. Credit cards don't buy things. They delay pain. The longer debt lasts, the more control it takes away from future you. Most people save what's left over. But the truth is, there's usually nothing left over. Paying yourself first means saving before spending. Even small amounts matter. Saving $20 consistently is more powerful than saving $200 once. This habit builds control, and control reduces stress. Money isn't about intelligence. It's not about luck. It's a skill, and skills can be learned. Once you understand the basics, money stops feeling confusing, and clarity changes everything. If this helped you understand money a little better, you're already ahead of most people. Check out the next video in this series where we break down budgeting without stress or guilt.